Hi, now we will see CNC machining. What is that CNC machining? That is computer numerical control machines. Okay, that is so far we have seen that conventional machining. This is the machining. This is controlled by the computer. These newer machine tools have been built absorb the newer machining technology to copy the newer tougher materials. New technologies include the ultrasonic machining, electrochemical machining, laser beam machines. Besides the advancement of electronics and application, computer in the machine tools having the brought in significant and revolutionary change in machine tool control concept. This has given the birth to an entirely new generation of the machine tools, that is numerically controlled machine tools, highly flexible and are economical for producing the single or large number of the parts. Numerical control can be defined simply controlled by the numbers. The machine tools having the dedicated computer help prepare the program and control some or all operations of the machine tool is called computer machine tools. That is that all control can be controlled by the computer. So that one is called computer numerical control machine. The numerical control is refers to the method of control the manufacturing of operation by means of directly inserted cooled numerical instruction into the machine tools. It is important to realize that NC is not a machining method. Rather, it is concept of control, although all through most popular applications and NC machines are in the machining. The NC is applied to many operations including welding, sheet metal and metalworking, riveting, etc. Because of introductory character, we will restrict over the two-dimensional machining operations, which are most simple operations in the numerical control. Nevertheless, the most principal conclusions value more valued of the numerical control application. Numerical machines are methods of automation where the automation medium and small volume of production is done by the small control under the instruction of program. Definition of NC systems: a system which actions are control the direction of insertion numerical data at same point. The system must be automatically interrupt least some portion of this data. Electronic Industries Associations. Numerical control is defined as a form of software controlled automation in which the process is controlled alphanumeric characters or symbol. According to the definitions, the program prepared, which consists of blocks consisting the combination of the characters, numbers in sequence, describing the tool in the job, cutting speed and feed the data converted into the coded instruction, which are called the part programmer. The job changes is the instruction of the program, which are also changed. The other instruction which can be included maybe for the tool changing or coolant and of it is easy to for the new program machinery. The comparison between conventional and numerical control machine. The rate of production, if it is compared with that rate of production, it is normal. Here, in that numerical control machine consistently have good accuracy. Machine hours rate is normal in this conventional machining generally higher. Maintenance cost is less cost is very less in that conventional machining, but in this case the maintenance cost is high. Air conditioned rooms, there is actually in that conventional machining the air conditioned room is not required, here it is required. Types of workers, the normal skilled workers can be used in this conventional machining, but skilled workers should be necessary for the numerical control machine. Cost is normal, here the numerical control machine the cost may be higher for purchasing the machine, and there are the controls and size of the room so are very big. Types of tooling required, this is normal, but in the numerical control machine special tools can be used. Carbon tools, high speed tools cannot be used since they are the operating conditions, the machines are operating 5000 50,000 rpm. The special tooling is to be used. Other features are available in this usable for the automatic, the tools are coming automatically and machine using the multiple tool post. In this the tools are after programming, the tools are coming automatically. There are the what are the types of numerical systems? Traditional numerical control, computer numerical control, distributed numerical control DNC, that is LC and CNC and DNC. The traditional national numerical control, original numerical control machines were referred to as numerical control machine tools. They have the hardwire control. Control is accomplished through use the punched paper or cards. Tapes tends to wear and become dirty, causing the misreading. Many other problems arise from the use of the NC tapes. For example, needed to manual reload NC tapes for which new part and the lack of program editing abilities which increases the lead time. The end of the NC tapes was results of two completing developments CNC and DNC. Computer numerical control. CNC refers to a systems as a local computer store or called also required the numerical data. While the CNC was used enhanced tapes for a while, they eventually allowed the use of the storage media, magnetic tapes of hard disks. The advantages of CNC systems include but are not limited to the possibility to store and execute a number of large programs. Distributed numerical control. The development of DNC over many years along a development of local or networking has involved the modern concept of DNC. Distributed numerical control is similar to CNC, except a remote of control is used in the control of numerical number of machines. An offsite mainframe host computer holds the programs for all parts as produced in the DNC facilities. Program downloaded from the mainframe computer, and then the local controller feeds the instruction of the hardwire NC machines. The recent development of the central computer is to be also direct numerical control. The NC systems can be classified the number of directions, the motions they are capable of control simultaneously of the machine tools. Each free body has 6 degrees of freedom, 3 positive or negative translations along the x, y, z axis and 3 rotations of clockwise and counterclockwise about these axes. commercial NC system is capable of controlling the simultaneously two types and 2 and of 3, 4 and 5 degrees of freedom on the axis. The NC systems which control 3 linear translations. Then 4 axis systems. Numerical control as axis conversions. The CNC is differs from the conventional machine tools in several respects. The principles of operations in the numerical control machines can be the vertical milling machine for carrying the and operations like milling spindle is to be positioned that Z axis. The table is in X and Y coordinate axis. The fixed movement is to be realized by the individual or simultaneous movement X and Y axis. Thus, the milling machine requires 3 side movements, which are usually referred to the axis of the feed drives. A special features of CNC machine is that separate for the motor called the servo motor. Individually drives of the each axis, AC servo motors are preferred choice for this purpose. DC servo motors are widely used earlier. The slides are driven by the servo motor through recirculating the ball screw and nut assembly. Use of recirculating ball screw and reduces the friction, backlash and wear. The low friction reduces the torque required the motor. Last motion through the torsional deflection of the screw. The use of the ball screw also improves the dynamic response of the systems. In some modern designs, particularly in the case of the high-speed machines, the linear motors are used to place the servo motor ball screw combinations. In order to carry the milling operations on the workpiece, coordinate information of starting point and the ending point has to be coded NC program. Similarly, the informations recording the directions of rotations of the speed of the spindle, use of the coolant and feed rate is also coded suitably. The CNC controller decodes positioning informations coded in the NC program, and the side is moving programmed with the positions at the required feed rate. Each slide fitted on the feedback transducer, which is continuously motion the slide position and compass with the programmed position as well as the feed rate. The feed rate transducer is mounted either on the slide or on the servo motor, measures the displacement of the slide. For example, let us assume the hole is to be delayed x is equal to 100, y is equal to 150. The corresponding block read by the control system and the necessary inputs of x and y axis servo motor. This motor drive the respectively slide the command position. When the distance information from the feedback devices equal programmed values, the slide movement stops. The input is then given to the z-axis servo motor to perform the drilling operations. The system of motor driving the spindle carrying the drill commands the z-axis servo motor to move the program feed rate into the workpiece till the program depth is reached. The z-axis feedback transducer ensures the correct depth and feed rate The drill is then withdrawn desired height and the machine starts at the positioning moments the next location of drill. The procedure ensures the production of accurate workpieces. The feedback transducers mean analog or digital. Another classification of feedback transducer is based on the nature of the measurement, absolute or incremental. They are also classified linear or rotary depending upon the constructions. The linear feedback devices include the optical scales, inductors and rotary feedback devices mounted either on the ball screw or on the motor shaft and measure the slide position indirectly. Rotary encoders, optical scales and synchrono revolvers, commonly rotary feedback devices. The measured and targeted positions are compared and the servo systems ensures that correct positioning is achieved to make this error zero. The resolution of the axis fixed drive is usually in the micrometer. Since the positioning is done electronically, it is possible to achieve the accuracy repeatedly of the order of 5 to 10 microns. Even under the heavy duty conditions, 2 servo loops are incorporated in that feed drive 1 for the position of the other feed. In addition to this, selection of spindle also control under the servo. Basic components of NC machine. Software. The program or set instruction of the languages, punch code, magnetic tapes and punched tape and other such information processing item is referred to as software. The software controls sequence of the movement of an NC. That is why these numerical controls are sometimes called software control machines. Lies entirely in the programs. The program plans the operations under sequence, seeing the drawing and writes the instruction in the tabulated block. An instruction or punched on the control tape. The tape reader leads the codes and sends it to machine control, which conversely converts them into the machine movements and the machine tools. Machine control. NC machine tool as the main unit, which is known as the machine control unit. It consists of some electronic hardware, reads the numerical control programs, interprets the conversely translate for mechanical actions of the machine tools. Input reader unit. This unit consists of electromechanical devices used to collect input from the punched tape, cards, magnetic tapes and disc. They drive it through the system under the reading head, interrupt coded information collect against the reuse memory. A block information consisting of words is read from the tape and stored into the temporary memory is called buffer. One block may contain the complete set of instruction of work in sequence. The function of this memory is to keep storing the next block words when the machine is doing the processing of previous block. Nowadays there is no tape, there is no recorders or cassettes. Nowadays there is a chips is there, then it is programmed and the program is selected and there is a touch screen is there. In that previous cases there is the punched tapes are there, then cassettes are there. So nowadays there is no cassettes and all. So everything is programmed. After programming in your computer, then we have to store that all the programs in that memory chip. Then we have to the chip has to be inserted into the machine. Then it is working. Okay, there is a touch screen is there. With that touch screen we can operate. Nowadays it is not there. Okay, the processor. The function of the processor is to control the function of other units, give the ready signals for the appropriate of time. Output channels. The data stored memory is converted actuation signals supplied through the output channel in the form of the pulse. Control panel. The control panel, the switches, indicator, manual data input and dials for providing the information of the to the operator. Feedback channel. Feedback channel is to check whether the operations are done in the way of want to do. The feedback sent through the feedback channel velocity. Housed MCU. The machine control unit may be mounted on the machine tool, may be built in the casting of the machine. Swing round MCU. The machine control unit is directly on the machine, which can be swing around it and can be adjusted as per the requirement of the operator position. Standalone MCU. The machine control unit is enclosed separate cabinet and it is installed at some remote same place near to the machine. Machine tool. Machine tool is the main component of the numerical control systems which executes the operations. It may be consist of the work table, cutting tool, jigs and fixtures, motors, coolant and lubricating system. The latest development of the numerical control system, the tool is Verticile Machine Center. This single machine capable of doing number of operations such as milling, drilling, reaming, tapping and automatic tool changer of the numerical control selections is instruction. The machine tool code following: lathe machine, milling machine and laser machine, plasma machine, coordinated machine. Then in that there are the linear axis in that coordinated machine. What are the linear axis? Or x, y, z, and rotational axis are I, j, k. This is such a tilt that are possible. For example, phi axis implies the combination of x, y, z and I, j, k. The problems of conventional NC. Pushed tape. The numerical control repeated sharp because the paper tape is especially fragile and it susceptibly wear and tear. Tape reader. The tape reader is the hardware component the machine. Any broken occurred in the NC machine. Controller. Hardware cannot be adhered incorporate improvements into the unit. The management information. The machine tool manufacturers continuously improving the numerical control technology by receiving the system's timely information such as piece, counts and machine tool changes to the management. Part programming mistakes. When preparing the punch tape, the part programming mistakes are common and to achieve the best sequence of processing steps. Non-optional speed and feed. The control systems do not provide the provision of change the speed and feed during the cutting operations. What is the principles of numerical control machine? The basic elements of numerical control machine is typical NC machines. Numerical control and the components basically involved the data input, the data processing and the data output. For data input, the numerical information is read and stored the tape reader or in the computer memory. In data processing, the programs are read into the machine control unit processing. For data input output, this information is translated into the command. The typically pulses commands the motor. The motor moves the table on which the workpiece is placed in the specified position through the linear or rotary movements. NC machines can be controlled two types of circuits, which is open loop and closed loop. The open loop system, the signals are given by the motor by the processor, but the movements or final destination of the work table are not accurate. Open loop systems cannot be accurate but it still can be produce the shape that is required. In the closed loop systems, the equipped various transducers, sensors and counters that measures the position of the through feed control. The position of the work table is compared against the signal. The table movement terminate when the proper coordinate are reached. For the closed loop system, the servo motor is utilized. The open loop stepper motor is utilized. The closed systems complicated and more expensive than the open loop. Then the two basic types of control is point-to-point control. Point-to-point systems also called as positioning. Each axis of the machine driven separately by the ball screw. Depending upon the type of the operations, different velocities, the machine moves initially maximum velocity in order to reduce the non-productive time, but delegates as the tool reaches the numerically defined position. Thus, in the operations such as drilling or punching, positioning, cutting place is sequentially. The time required operation is minimized. Efficiency. Point-to-point systems are mainly in drilling, punching and straight operations. In contouring, also known as the contour path of the system, the position of cutting operations are both along the control paths but different velocities because of the tool cut as the travels along the path. Accurate control synchronize the velocity of the movements are important. The contouring system is used on the lathe machines, welding machinery and machining centers. Classification of numerical control machines on control systems. Open loop systems. The programmed instructions are fed into the control through an input device. These instructions are then converted into electrical pulse by the controller and sent to the servo amplifier to energize the servo motor. The primary drawback of open loop systems: no feedback systems check whether the program is positioned and the velocity has been achieved. If the system's performance is affected by the load, temperature, humidity, or lubrication, then actual output could devise from the desired output. For these reasons, open loop systems generally used in point-to-point systems where the accuracy of requirement are not critical. Very few continuous path systems utilized in the open loop systems. Closed loop systems. Closed loop systems as a feedback to monitor the actual output and correct discrepancy from the programmed input. These systems use the position and velocity of the feedback. The feedback systems could be either analog or digital. The analog systems measure the variation of physical variable such as the position of velocity in terms of the voltage levels. The digital systems monitor the output of variation by means of the electrical pulse, the control of dynamic behavior, final position of the machine slides, a variety position of the transducer or employed. The majority of the CNC systems operate the servo mechanism in the closed loop principles. Discrepancy revealed by the between the where the machine element should be actually is sensing device signal. The driving on unit make the adjustment to bring the mobile component to the required location. The closed systems are very powerful and accurate because they are capable of monitoring the operating conditions through the feedback subsystems and automatically compensating for the any real time. The classification. The classification of numerical systems based on the numerical control. Point-to-point systems and contouring systems, straight cut numerical systems. Point-to-point systems. In that point-to-point systems, we are using that drilling, punching, and that fabrication operations can be done through the punching. Or suppose if you want to cut the slots on that particular door or canopy, so that can be done by these point-to-point system. There is a control is there. With that control, you can do the operations. Some machine tools can be drilling, boring, tapping machines, etc. can be required to the cutter and the workpiece to be placed in the certain fixed relative positions at which they must be remain that while cutter does its work. The machine is known as the machine. These machines are known as the point-to-point control machines. That the feed rates of the need not to be programmed in these machines tools. Each axis is driven separately in the point-point control systems. The dimensions of the informations must be given in the machine tools will be series of record position of 2 slides. Servo systems can be to move the slides. No attempt is to be made the slide cutter as be retracted back. Contouring. One other type of the machine tool involve the motions of workpiece with respect to the cutter while cutting operation is taking place. These machine tool including milling, routing machines, etc. and or contouring machines. Then controls the required control are known as the contouring control. Contouring machines can also be used as the point-to-point machines, but it will be economical to use them unless the workpiece also required having the contouring operations to be performed on it. This machine requires the simultaneous control axis in contouring machines, relative positions of the workpiece, and the tool should be continuously controlled. The control system must be able to accept the information regarding the velocity and position of slides. The feed rates should be programmed. Straight cut NC systems. The point-to-point systems here the tool moves and controlled the feed rate on the axis at the time. The example of the straight line turning and packet milling, etc. The important elements are used in the NC machines. A ball screw machine is the linear actuator translate the rotational motion and the linear motion with little friction. Threaded shaft is provided helical raceway of the ball bearings which acts on precision screw as well being able to withstand the high thrust loads. They can also with minimum internal friction they made close tolerance, therefore suitable for situations in which the precision is necessary. The ball assembly threaded on the shaft screw the contrast of conventional lead screws, ball screws, and rather bulky. Another form of the linear actuator is rotating of threadedless ball screw, that is Akar rolling drive. That is, in this design, 3 of the rolling rings on the bearings are arranged symmetrically in the housing surrounding the smooth actuator on the rod or the shaft. The bearing is set at an angle of the rod, and this angle determines the direction and rate of linear motion per revolution of rod. An advantage of design conventional ball screw and lead screw is the practical elimination of backlash loading caused by the preload nuts. Advantages: low frictions in ball screw, high mechanical efficiency compared to alternatives. The typical ball screw may 90% efficient and versus 50% efficiency Acme lead screw of the equal size. Lack of sliding friction between the nut and the screw leads itself extended life span of the screw assembly, reducing the time and the maintenance and the part of the replacement and decreasing the demand of the lubrication. Combined overall performance benefit is required for the power requirement may offset the initial cost using the ball screw. The working of NC machine tools, that is the component drawing, process planning, then operator, machine tools, and completed the component. Then in the operator control machine tools, the NC tools, component drawing, process planning, programmer, tape preparation, control unit, machine tools, completed component. The first two steps of the component drawing and process planning similar to both operator and numerical control methods. In the operator machine tools control, the operator is to be control the cutter position during the manufacturing, also makes the necessary adjustment and corrections produced for the desired components. However, the NC machine tools operator is replace the data processing part programming serves the control unit. In the data processing unit, the coordinate information recording the component is recorded on the tape by means of teleprinter. The tape is fed into the control and sends the position command signals to side V transmissions elements of the machine. The application of NC machine, the complex parts and the parts which are frequently subjected to the design changes respective and precision quality of the parts produced in the low to medium batch quantity to cut down the low downtime in the manufacture. In instruction, the investment on tooling and fixed inventory will be high if the parts conventional machine tools, automatic drafting, industrial robots, cloth cutting and welding machines and press working. The advantages of NC machines are the higher precision. The NC machines are capable of machining the very close tolerance in some operation 0.005 mm. Better quality, the NC machines are capable of machining the constant working conditions for all part of the batch, thus ensuring less spread of the quality characteristics. High productivity, the NC machine tools reducing the drastically non-machining time, adjusting the machine tool different product. It is easy for changing the computer program and the tool direct new set of the tool required for the particular part. The multi-operational machine, in that some NC machine tools, for example machining center, capable of accomplishing very high number of machining operations, thus reducing significantly the number of machine tools in the workshop. Low operator qualification. The role of the NC machine is simply uploaded the workpiece and download the finished part. In some cases, industrial robots are employed for material handling and eliminating for the human operator. Less time and easy adjustment of the machine. Adjustment requires less time. Disadvantages of the machine: control systems are costly, higher investment cost, high maintenance cost, reduce the labor and special skills required for the programming of the operating the equipment. Computer numerical control. The numerical control is one of the functional and motion of the machine controlled by means of prepare the program containing the coded alphanumeric data. CNC can be motions of the workpiece and the tool, the input parameter such as feed, depth of cut, speed, the function such as spindle off, turning of coolant. Then the CNC refers the computer joint. The numerical control makes the machine versatile that information can be controlled by the memory bank. The program is read from the storage medium and such as the punctuality and retrieved to the memory of the CNC program, and the CNC machine of the magnetic medium storing programs This allows the flexibility of the editing the program. In this general configuration of the CNC is there is a magnetic tape, disc tape or paper tape reader. The miscellaneous control, example limit, switches, coolant and spindle. CNC control with keypad display. The paper tape punch, the machine tools, axis drive, XY, Z, AB, W, spindle speed. Then the types of CNC machine. There is a machining center, horizontal, vertical and universal, CNC lathe, CNC centers, turn mill, CNC milling, CNC drilling, CNC plane milling, gear arbing, CNC gear shaping, wire cut EDM, tube bending and electro beam welding and laser beam cutting, CMM and grinding machine, surface grinder, cylindrical grinder, centralized grinder, tool and cutter grinder, CNC boring, jig boring, PCB drilling and press brakes, CNC transfer lines, electrochemical milling, abrasive jet milling, flow forming machines, roll forming machine, Tarrach punch presses. Special features of CNC machines are the storage is more than the one part. With the improvement of computer storage technology, the newer CNC control having the sufficient capacity of store the programmings. Controlled manufacturers generally one or the more memory expectation of the MCU. Then when the conventional of the hardwire MCU or limited punch tape as the input medium entering to the part program, CNC controls are generally processes the multiple data entry capabilities of the punch tape, magnetic tape, floppy disk and the other communications unit. The programming, editing the machine tool, CNC permit the part programming can be edited while it resides in the MCU computer memory. Then the part programming can be tested and corrected entirely at the machine site rather than being returned to the program office for the corrections. In addition to the part programming corrections, editing also permits the cutting conditions in the machining cycle optimized after the program has been corrected and optimized. The revised version can be stored or punched the tape other media for the future use. Fixed cycle program subroutines increase the memory capacity and ability of the program control computer and provide the opportunity to store frequently used machining cycle as the macros instead of writing the full instruction or the particular cycle into the every program. The programmer includes a call statement in the part program to indicate that macro cycle should be executed. These cycles often require the certain parameter desired. For the example, a bolt hole circle in which the diameter bolt circle, spacing of the bolt holes and other parameters can be specified. Interpolation. Some of the interpolations schemes are normally executed on the NC systems. The linear or the circular interpolations are sometimes hardwired into the control unit. Helical, parabolic and cube interpolation executed by the stored program algorithm. The position of features setup and the setting up the machine tools for a given work part involves installing and align the features of machine tool table. This must be accomplished so that the machine is established with respect to the work part. The alignment task can be facilitated by using the certain features and made possible by the software operations and CNC systems. The positions of the set on the features, the positions of the set operator is not required, and locate the feature on the machine table. Extreme accuracy and lead to the machine tools prefer location of the fixtures using the target point. The target point is the working of the fixture. The cutter length and the size compensation. In older style, the control the cutter dimensions had to set precisely to agree with the tool path, define the part programming. The alternative methods for ensuring the accurate tool path definition incorporated in the CNC programming. Once the method is involves manually entering the actual tool dimension into the MCU, the actual dimensions may be differ from those originally programmed. The compensation are then automatically made in the computer tool path. Another method involves use of the length and the sensor built into the machine. In this technique, the cutter is mounted in the spindle. Sensor measured its length. The measured value is then correct the program tool parts. The acceleration and deceleration calculation. The feature applicable when the cutter moves in the high feed race. It is designed to avoid the tool marks on the work surface that would be generated due to the machine tool dynamics when the cutter path changes abruptly. Instead of feed rate, the smoothly decelerated anticipation of the tool path, the changes, and then accelerated backup programmed feed rate after the direction change. The communications interface with the tend toward interfacing networking in plants today. The most of the modern CNC controllers are equipped with standard RS-232 other communications interface to link the machine to other the computer driven devices. This is useful for the applications such as downloading the part programming, the central data file, collecting the operational data such as the workpiece counts, cycle times, machine utilization, and load parts. The diagnostics many modern CNC programs process diagnostic capability that monitor the certain aspects of the tool, detect the malfunctions of the sign, impending the malfunctions, diagnose systems of the breakdown. The machine control unit for CNC, the central processing unit, memory unit, input output interface, control machine tool access, spindle speed, and sequence of the control machine tool functions. The central processing unit, that is the control section, arithmetic logic unit, intermediate access memory. The control section is retrieves the commands, data, and memory and generate the signals to activate the components in the machine. In short, the sequence coordinates the regularity all the activities on the MCU. Then the arithmetic logic unit is the circularity, perform the various calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplications, counting, logical functions required for the software residing in memory. The intermediate access memory improves the temporary storage data being processed by the CPU. Memory, the intermediate access memory, CPU is not intended store much greater storage capacity is required for the various programming system, primary data and secondary data Main memory is consist of ROM, that is read on memory, read only memory, RAMs, read access memory devices, the operating systems of the software machine interface generally stored in ROM. These programs are usually installed by the manufacturer of the MCU. The numerical control programs are stored by the RAM devices. The current programs RAM can be replaced by the new programs. Jobs are changed. The memory means operating systems and part programming, central processing unit, input and output operator panel and tape reader. Then there is a system bus is there. From the system business, machine tool control, position control, spindle speed control and sequence control, coolant control, fixture clamping and tool changer. High capacity of the secondary memory is devices are used to store the large programs data file which are transferred main memory as reader. The common among the second memory device or the hard disk and portable device that have replaced the most of the punched tape traditionally used for the store the program, and hard disk high capacity storage devices that are permanently installed in the CNC machine. Input and the output interface. Input and the output devices provides the communication of the software, the various component of the CNC systems. The computer systems is to be machined of the operator, which are illustrated. The operator panel device, which is machine operator, is the CNC systems. This is used for the enter the commands and related programs of editing. The MCU operated mode, the speeds and feeds, cutting fluids, pump on off functions. Either the alphanumeric method or keyboard is usually included in the operator control panel. The input of output operation interface also display CRT LED. The display is used to indicate the current status of the program as it being executed and the warn of the operator of any malfunctions in the CNC systems. Also included input output interface or one or more means of the entry the part of the program into storage as indicated previously. That is, the NC programs are stored in the variety of the ways. The programs can be entered manually by machine operator or stored at the central computer site and transmitting via the local area network. Control machine tools, axis and the spindle speed. These are the hardware components that control the position of the velocity of the each machine's axis as well as rotational speed of the machine spindle. The control signals is to be generated by the MCU must be converted in the form of the power level suited for the particular position of the control systems. The drive of the machine axis. The positioning systems can be classified as the open loop and closed loop systems depending upon the machine tool spindle use of the drive, either workpiece or rotating cutter. Training is simple. The files first case where as the milling and drilling and the spindle speed is programmed parameter for the most CNC machine tools. The spindle speed components in the MCU is usually consist of the drive control and circuit the feedback sensor interface, the particular hardware components depends upon the spindle drive, the sequence control, machine tools and the functions. There are the additional control of the tool position, feed rate, spindle speed and several additional functions are accomplished under the part program control. These auxiliary functions are generally on-off actuations, interlock discrete the numerical data or to avoid the overloading CPU. The program control is manage the interface the input output auxiliary functions, the 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 axis of the CNC machines. The CNC lathes will becoming the 2 axis machine. There will be the 2 axis along which the motion takes place. Saddle is moving longitudinally, the bed is on the Z axis, then the cross slide moves on the other slide, that is X and Y axis. The three axis machines will be one or the more axis, then the perpendicular to the above 2 axis, the simultaneous control of all the 3 axes. The complex surfaces can be machined. In 4 and 5 axis CNC machine, there is a multi-machine axis capable of beginning the standard of the 3 axis CNC of the CNC tool path movement. The 5 axis milling center include the 3 X, Y, Z axis. Thank you.